The 2026 Kia Seltos Sandy Beige is a modern compact SUV designed for style, comfort, and performance. This latest version brings a refreshed design, upgraded technology, and improved driving experience, making it a strong competitor in the United States market. Exterior details. The sandy beige color gives the car a premium and elegant look. At the front, the bold grille with vertical elements creates a strong road presence. The LED daytime running lights extend downward, giving it a futuristic appearance. The headlights are sharp and aggressive, adding to the sporty feel. From the side, the SUV has a muscular stance with black cladding and stylish alloy wheels. The dual-tone combination with a black roof enhances its sporty character. At the rear, the connected LED taillights stretch across the back, making the car look wider and more modern. Interior features. Inside, the 2026 Seltos offers a comfortable and high-quality cabin. The materials feel premium, with soft-touch surfaces and a clean design. The seats are well-cushioned, providing excellent comfort for long drives. There's plenty of space for passengers, both in the front and rear. Features like ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless charging add to the luxury experience. The interior design perfectly matches the premium sandy beige exterior. Dashboard technology. The dashboard features a modern dual-screen setup that combines a digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. This large display gives the cabin a futuristic look and is easy to use. You also get smartphone connectivity, navigation, and a premium sound system. The interface is smooth and user-friendly, making driving more enjoyable and convenient. Engine performance. The 2026 Kia Seltos offers two engine options in the United States. The base engine is a 2.0-liter unit producing around 147 horsepower, suitable for daily driving. For more power, there's a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine delivering about 195 horsepower. This engine provides quicker acceleration and better performance on highways. Transmission options include an intelligent variable transmission, IVD, and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. All-wheel drive is also available for better control and stability. Safety features. Safety is a key highlight of this SUV. It comes equipped with advanced features such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These systems help the driver stay safe and reduce the risk of accidents, making the Seltos a reliable choice for families. Price in the United States. The starting price of the 2026 Kia Seltos is around $25,000. Mid-level trims range between $28,000 and $30,000, depending on features. The top variant, which includes a turbo engine and full features, can go up to around $32,000 to $34,000. Overall, it offers great value for money in its segment. Available models/trims. The 2026 Seltos comes in multiple trims, including LX, S, EX, X-Line, and SX. Each model offers different levels of features and performance options, allowing buyers to choose according to their needs and budget. Final verdict. The 2026 Kia Seltos Sandy Beige stands out with stylish design, comfortable interior, modern technology, and strong performance options. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact SUV that offers both luxury and practicality.